Very nice and well cared for traditional style home. These owners are only the third owner in over 100 years. Plus, this house has a 50 lot with many perennials in the yard. The main floor has an enclosed front porch, foyer entry, living room, dining room and kitchen. Beautiful woodwork throughout, too. Living room has a decorative fireplace. The kitchen is quaint and has authentic, older painted wood cabinets with a small eating area. Upstairs has 4 bedrooms and a full bath. All natural wood floors that are maple. Walk up to the 3rd floor attic that could be finished off and used for additional living space, or keep it as it is and use it for storage. Full basement is best used for utilities and storage. Washer and dryer will be included, along with stove and refrigerator.